Okay, this is 1995 ProtoTRAK 2-axis with a ProtoTRAK MX2 controller. The stills have been taken. There's 2 one-shot lubrication there and there. Typical jig feed on this type of machine. It's got a current air power lock. Cat 40 spindle. Other than that, you should know what you're looking at. It's set up for coolant. I drained it, never used it. I think it's a mess, but it's there if you want it. And I've got spooled up a little program just so you can see that it works. And then you move down to your button. Click, click, and it starts running. I got hooked up to a 232 cable right now, which is the best way to run this machine, either through Mastercam or a program you got. I'd include the post processor, which is really the most important part for this particular machine. Though they're easy to come by, but I can certainly throw that in. You see it's running. This is pretty much using the full breadth and width of the table. And I've done nothing but light machining on it and some jig boring. Nothing fancy. It is a 1995. Comes with the current vise. I've taken stills of the tooling, but all but about 2 pieces in here, including a face mill. There's about $1,000 worth of tooling in here. That would go with it. And I took stills, but I'll show the D'Andrea Testarossa boring system. This is Italian made. This isn't any junk from China. Okay? We'll go back. The program's still running, as you can see. And I can control the stop. I can stop the program, stop the DR on the program, push it again, and there we go. So it is what you see. But it's a good running machine. I've owned about 4 of these up to the Track 3s, and I've never been disappointed. Okay, there's your air, 80 PSI. Signing off.